In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your network settings in Windows. This is a handy skill for those moments when your internet connection isn't working quite right, or if you're troubleshooting network issues. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Windows settings. Now, this is your command center for all things related to the operation of your PC. You can access this area quickly by clicking on the Start menu and then selecting the Settings gear icon, or by simply pressing the Windows and I keys simultaneously. Once you're there, we're going to focus on the Network and Internet section. Now within Network and Internet, you'll see various options to manage your connections. This is where you can toggle your Wi-Fi, check your data usage, and handle any VPNs you might have set up. But today, we're aiming specifically for the advanced side of things. So go ahead and scroll down until you spot the link for Advanced Network Settings. With Advanced Network Settings open, you're getting closer to doing a complete network refresh. This section is like the advanced toolbox for your connection, giving you options to change adapter options, view your network properties, or even set up more advanced settings like using a proxy. But our focus remains on streamlining your network experience. Next, within this section, you'll want to look for something called Network Reset. Clicking on this will guide you through restoring your network components to their original status, effectively wiping out settings and giving you a fresh start. It's a very useful step when previous configurations or glitches are causing issues. But take note, this will remove and then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So be sure to make a note of any custom settings you've made, such as VPN, client software, or virtual switches if you use any of those. After you've selected Reset, Windows will prompt you with a warning message that you'll need to confirm. It's just letting you know what we've discussed, that your adapters will be removed and reinstalled, and your system will reboot automatically within the next few minutes. Go ahead and confirm that action if you're ready, and there you have it. Once your system restarts, it will automatically reinstall your network drives, and you should have a clean slate to work with. Hopefully, resetting your network this way will solve any connectivity issues you've been experiencing. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials just like this one. Have a great day.